Hey everyone, I'm David Barrett, the National Program Director for the Master's Certificate in Project Management. I hope you remember me. Listen, we got some great news. You know, there were a lot of people, not like you, but others who couldn't take this program because they couldn't give up the Fridays and the Saturdays. This April on the 18th, we are starting our first time ever in 25 years offering at night. Lots of people out there can afford a few hours at night. It's a perfect setup for them. Spread the word. Tell your colleagues and friends. It starts on April the 18th, runs till December the 6th. 3 hours a night, 6 to 9 p.m., couple of nights a week with a week break in the middle of each module or between each module. Same great program, same great simulation, the music festival, same great instructors, same great output. I promise it's just as perfect, just as great an experience. Just goes on a little bit longer and it's in a much more convenient time slot for a lot of people. Hope you are able to share this information with colleagues and friends and people you know. Spread the word. We'd love your support. Thanks for watching. I'm David Barrett and I hope all is well with you. Bye-bye.